Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to make Gboard default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and search Gboard. After search Gboard and click on install. After install Gboard, go back to home screen and go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on keyboard and you will see Gboard is here. If you want to make Gboard, default keyboard set turn on Gboard button. After enable Gboard, click on default keyboard and select Gboard. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can make Gboard default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.